help them handle a great deal of information, choose the appropriate information, make claims, get facts, make claims, make arguments, and connect. And as you look to your left, this idea of a knowledge wardrobe, where, as it says, you need to have knowledge of the content when learning history, but you also need to apply this knowledge to answer the questions that are asked. Think of your knowledge like clothes in your wardrobe. You wouldn't wear them all at once. You carefully select them for the activities and weather of the day. You must carefully select your knowledge for the question you are asked on the day of the exam or whatever it is. And so what I used to do is I used to have these in cards. Each one of those is a separate card, and we'd spread them out and we'd put them in chronology. We'd highlight what's a government, what's individuals, or different themes, and categorise them. And then from these categories, you can put them in chronology, like I said, they can identify things, but we can also make claims. So use at least 2 examples from 2 time periods. So there's a claim, make an argument about that, and then provide supporting evidence, and kind of do that, and then what factors make the links. So I wanted to kind of have students understand how to play with this, and I wanted to test what Chatty Geeps could be. So I went to the history mentor for core concepts, which is about significance, causation, chronology, that type of thing. Can you help model for me how best I can complete this assignment, please? The goal is for me to examine all the statements about the history of medicine and categorize them by different themes and factors, government. Some of them may fit into more than one, and after that I need to make a claim and then an argument and then provide supporting evidence. Now, again, I wanted to illustrate for me how to do this and walk me through it. So to complete the assignment effectively, let's break down it into manageable steps. Okay, categorization by theme and factors, and they've gone through and they've picked certain statements and they start to categorize. And then it tells me continue assigning categories for the remaining statements. Remember, some statements will fit into the multiple categories. So it's given me some examples, and now it wants me to go and do it myself. Then for each claim, construct a logical argument supported with evidence. So claim, the government improved public health over time. And this is borrowing from the example given. Government shifted from laissez-faire, and then it picks 3 pieces of evidence. And so it then talks to me about consider how factors influence each other. So look for links, reflect on the importance of over time, discuss whether certain factors became less significant or more, and use this structure to complete your assignment. If you'd like, I can assist further with categorization, writing your arguments, or refining. Let me know. But for me, I would say, there's your structure. Now let's go and do some, and then check back with Chatty Geeps.